I'm going to be showing you how to do natural, simple makeup look. It's very easy, very simple, breathable, wearable and long lasting. मतलब अगर आपको quickly झटपट कुछ करना है and you just want to step out of your house, you know, for that brunch, for that party, for that night look, day look, whatever look, you just want something super light, super simple. This is the makeup look for you. Just get into the video. Maybe makeup look ho, please make sure to hydrate your skin very well using a moisturizer. Use a lot of moisturizer actually, because you know recently my skin has been peeling off. Old skin has been shedding out and new skin is coming, at least that's what the dermat told me. So hence I was recommended to apply a lot of moisturizer, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using Simple Ka moisturizer. I really like this stuff and I'm gonna use a lot. And मेरा simple या jazzy या कोई भी makeup look क्यों ना हो, I really like to keep my skin hydrated. Makeup look हो भी या ना भी हो, put your sunscreen. I'm using Plum का sunscreen. This is their rice water and niacinamide sunscreen. Glow as well on the face. You can see it's very nice. I like the sunscreen.
And yeah, ढेर सारा sunscreen because sun protection जितना लगाओ उतना कम है. Don't forget to take it on your neck as well.
Quickly doing my primer here on my nose and a little bit on my cheeks, forehead and chin. Skin tints are just breathable, wearable and they are good. They give you a decent coverage. So मैं आज मेरा skin tint थोड़ा अलग तरीके से लगाऊंगी. I'm gonna take my Smashbox Halo Glow Skin Tint. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, just like this. You can see it open. And I'm gonna mix it up with my moisturizer again. So yeah, so that's what I've been loving to do lately. This is a new brush that I've ordered from Amazon. This is from some very random company. I have the link in case you want to know. तो मैं आपके साथ ये पहली बार ट्राई करूँगी. मैंने भी ये ब्रश को यूज़ नहीं किया है because ये कल ही आया है. Right now I'm just sitting here and using with you guys. So just buff. What I've learned is just buff the product into your brush and now you go ahead and apply it. So I'm just gonna apply it like this. Now see, this won't give you a lot of coverage. As I said, it's like very minimal and मैंने moisturizer mix किया है तो थोड़ा coverage और कम हो जाएगा. Need a breathable makeup, right? So this is exactly what I would do. And by the way, this brush is good. Like, it definitely blended out. Did not leave the brush strokes on my face, so I'm happy. Just taking the same thing again and just applying it. Wow, not bad, yeah, really not bad. And whatever's remaining, that will go on my forehead. Wow, I'm quite impressed with the brush. Can you see? This side is my skin but better. Everyday simple makeup tutorial है. मैं बस एक ही concealer लगाऊंगी which matches with my natural skin tone. So I'm using Swiss Beauty का concealer in the shade 02. बस इतना ही लगाइए, थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. I just concealer brush and just blending stuff out because my face is heavily moisturized right now. The stuff is getting blended very easily and very well. If you are an oily skin, then definitely I would suggest an oil-free light moisturizer which is suitable for oily skin. And if you're a dry skin, then तो आपके लिए तो thick moisturizers ही suggestible है. I've just got this little small tiny bumps and breakouts on my face, but she said nothing to worry about, just heavily moisturize your skin. And hence I am just mixing a lot of moisturizer in my makeup as well because moisturizer is very important for your face. Dry skin हो तो accordingly वैसा moisturizer ले आओ, oily skin हो तो accordingly moisturizer ले आओ, but please moisturize your face, you guys. Very very important. बहुत छोटा अमाउंट लूँगी क्योंकि मुझे मेरा फेस बहुत लाइट नेचुरल रखना है. As I'm blending out this bronzer, it's a very warm red toner bronzer. Sun would have hit on your face. These are the parts it would have really hit. Your skin would look like, you know, when it's like sun burnt and everything. Little bit, and little bit. Let's try. I'm just gonna blend. And वही मैं मेरे eyelids पे भी लगाऊंगी because मुझे eyelids को भी बहुत natural shade देना है, बहुत natural color देना है. Let's add furthermore color. This is how I've been liking to apply my blush. I'm gonna take the Maybelline blush. This is their viral Sun Kisser blushes. What I do is, because this blush has little bit of shine and highlighter effect and it's like much a warmer tone, मैं इसको यहाँ पे लगाती हूँ थोड़ा सा. I'll take this blush on the back of my hand. Then comes another thing. I know this is like a mixture concoction of lot of things, but trust me, mix and match करने से आपका makeup और अच्छा लगता है. And at times, you know, these concoction really works and really make your skin look beautiful. So I am a sucker for highlighted skin. So I'm using this e.l.f. Halo Glow and I'm just gonna mix it in this. दीजिए उसको पहले मिक्स कीजिए बहुत अच्छे से, यूजुअल जहाँ आप अप्लाई करोगे. सो सी दिस इज लाइक अ वार्म टोन एंड दिस इज लाइक दैट पिंक टोन. नेचुरल फ्लशी चीक्स, नाइस चीक्स एंड टेक इट टिल हियर बिकॉज ये आपका एवरीडे मेकअप है. इट्स फाइन. सी, ओ माय, सी, it just makes on your face. This is my face bronzed, highlighted plus blushed, and this is my face extremely normal, just like bronzed and nothing else, but so much youthful and nice. I know it's like a little bit extra blush, but we will blend it out, so do not worry about it. Again, आप actually Maybelline blush लगा के भी ख़त्म कर सकते हो. I'm just showing you my personal tricks and tips, you know, my personal way of applying these blushes and products. So yeah, and it's so gorgeous right now. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. And the same जो भी बच गया है, just apply it on your eyelid. And our base is done. Let's move on to eyes quickly. I'll be using this K Beauty का eyeshadow palette, so which is this shade right here. I don't know what it is, but it's like a dark brown itself, but like with hints of pink in it. So I'm just gonna take this and just applying it on my eyelid, पूरे eyelid पे actually. It's a very nice brown pink shade. You know, if you get what I mean. Are good. I've spoken a lot about K Beauty eyeshadows also in my videos, so please check it out. I think it costs around 1700 bucks or something, but they are very lovely eyeshadows. Okay, can you see that? Look, ऐसे आप इतना करके you can stop, you can leave, you can go. But I'm gonna do something extra, a little bit extra. So I'm gonna take this dark shade, another dark shade, like this. Normal angular brushes, जो I'm sure you guys have seen it many times, easily available. And I'm just gonna draw an eyeliner using that brush. A little bit elevated and nice. Other shade, the final shade, and apply it on my crease because मुझे वो थोड़ा color और चाहिए. Done. Now let's quickly set our face because I know we've done all the cream products, so now is the perfect time to set your face. And this is the time, see, where I told you your blush will also come down and settle down a little bit. So I'm using this Innisfree powder. Before I go ahead with my translucent powder. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender, blend out my face a bit further. As I always say, any crease जो अब तक बन गया होगा, क्योंकि मैं इतना बात कर रही हूँ, ब्लेंडर ने उसको फिर से फिक्स कर दिया एंड अब यही स्टेट को आपको लॉक इन करना है. Whatever's remaining on my powder puff will go on the remaining areas of my skin. So I'm just setting my brows a little bit using this. Natural look चाहिए मुझे, तो मैं ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट नहीं यूज़ कर रही, बहुत कम ही यूज़ कर रही हूँ. एक्मे का क्रीम हाइलाइटर लूँगी एंड मैं मेरा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर ले लूँगी. डैब इट लाइक दिस, थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट ले लीजिए एंड अब जो नेचुरल शाइन है आप बस उसको फॉलो कीजिए बहुत लाइटली. यू डोंट नीड टू बी वेरी हार्श, बी वेरी जेंटल. पैट and underneath my eyebrow bone as well, and can you see that reflection? It's so pretty, so beautiful. Before lipstick आप lip balm लगा लो so that by the time you reach to lipstick stage your lips are also very nicely hydrated. and इसके बाद आप lipstick लगाओगे ना तो आपके lips chapped नहीं होंगे. Just taking my lip liner and I'm just gonna take some dark colors. This is like very nice dark from Kiro. I'm just gonna apply this a little bit and just like dab it. I'm gonna take my nude lipstick. So what I do is whenever I apply just some dark shade like this, iske baad I always go with this lipstick and apply it. And that's it. It just mutes down the entire lips. Simply Namka lip gloss and apply it. So good. It was so simple to create this everyday breathable makeup look. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया ये look create करने में, and just my overall face is so shiny, juicy and just looks so natural. And this makeup look is so easy to create. बात नहीं करेंगे तो ये तो और भी जल्दी create हो जाएगा. But yeah guys, this is my final makeup look. I think I'm loving it. I'm just really liked creating this makeup look. I hope you guys also liked it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you. Bye.